many people are having trouble with operating the air conditioning system in their Toyota Tacoma 2023? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Adjusting the temperature. Start by adjusting the temperature. Rotate the control dial clockwise for warmer air or anti-clockwise for cooler air. If the AC's off, it'll blow ambient or heated air. Step 2. Using automatic AC. If equipped with an automatic air conditioning system, air outlets and fan speed will align with your initial temperature setting. Step 3. Activating max cooling. For instant cooling, rotate the temperature control to the AXA/C position. This triggers the AC and sets the air intake to the recirculated air mode. Once you've followed these steps, you should be able to operate the air conditioning system in your Toyota Tacoma 2023 with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There, you will also find questions and answers from other Toyota users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.